Welcome to this detailed tutorial on creating a table in WordPress in just a few minutes. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the WordPress homepage. This is your starting point for accessing your website's backend and making any necessary edits. Once the WordPress site loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you will find the login option. Click on this login button to proceed. Logging into your WordPress account is the first step towards accessing the editing features you require. After clicking the login button, the next step involves using your Google account to simplify the login process. Look for the option labeled Continue with Google and click on it. This method provides a secure and efficient way to sign in without needing to remember multiple passwords or usernames. Following that, you will be presented with a list of available Google accounts. If you are already signed in, choose the Google account you wish to use for accessing WordPress. By selecting your preferred account, you ensure a smooth and personalized login experience, which in turn allows you to continue to your website's dashboard. Once you have successfully logged in, locate the quick links section on the page. In this section, you will see an option labeled Edit Site. Click on Edit Site to enter the site editing mode. This section serves as a gateway for customizing various parts of your website, including the integration of new elements like a table. Next, once the site editing interface loads, you will see a list or icons representing your website. Click on the website you want to edit. This selection takes you directly to the page where you can add, modify, or delete content as required. After entering the website's editing mode, shift your focus to the top left corner of the screen. Here you will find a plus icon that you should click on. The plus icon is an intuitive tool in WordPress that allows you to add new blocks to your site. In this case, you are planning to add a table. Following the click on the plus icon, a search bar or a list of block options will appear. In this bar, type in the word table. This action filters the available options, helping you quickly locate the table block among the various elements WordPress offers for content creation. Once you have typed the term table and seen it in the list of available blocks, click on the table option to add it to your site. This step inserts a table block into your website's editing area, making it ready for customization according to your needs. With the table now placed on your canvas, you will need to define its dimensions in terms of columns and rows. Carefully type in the number of columns and rows that you require for your table. This customization allows you to structure your data or information in a way that is both organized and visually appealing. When you have determined the appropriate column and row size for your table, finalize the setup by clicking on the Create Table button. This action confirms your choices and completes the process of adding a table to your WordPress site. By following these steps, you have successfully created a table through WordPress's user-friendly interface. This straightforward process leverages WordPress's built-in tools to quickly incorporate organized data presentation into your website. Enjoy experimenting with the table settings and further customize it to fit your design and content needs as you continue working on your site.